Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious banana bread step by step. First, let's gather our wet ingredients. You'll want 3 very ripe bananas, about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. Mash the bananas well, then combine them with the sugar and butter. Next, whisk in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is smoothly incorporated. This forms the flavorful base for our bread. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This ensures even distribution. Once combined, gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet banana mixture. Mix gently until just combined. It's crucial not to overmix, as this can lead to tough banana bread. A few lumps are perfectly fine. With your batter ready, pour it into a greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Now, it's time to bake. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. For a delightful twist, consider folding in 1/2 cup of chocolate chips or chopped walnuts before baking. Once your golden brown banana bread is out of the oven, resist the urge to slice it immediately. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to set properly and prevents it from crumbling. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is essential for the best texture. Then, slice and enjoy your homemade, moist, and flavorful banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.